Okay guys, so now we're going to do this question 3.2. We are given a parabola and a straight line, and we are told that RS are intercepts of the function of a parabola, and we're also given the turning point of a parabola. And then we are told that G has an x-intercept at R. So now we are asked to calculate the coordinates of R. So it's very simple to calculate the coordinates of R because we already know that here our y value is equals to 0. So we just need the x value, of which this is on a function of g. Our function of g is equals to 3x plus 6. So we know that y is 0. So 0 is equals to 3x plus 6. Transpose the 6 to the other side, you have 3x is equals to negative 6. Divide by 3 both sides, x is equals to negative 2. So now we know that x is equals to negative 2. So our r is going to be negative 2 and 0. So those are the coordinates of r. So let me write them here. So it's negative 2 and 0. And then erase here. So now the following question wants us to determine the equation of the parabola. We don't really know the equation of a parabola, so we want to identify it. But we know that R and S are part of the parabola, and we have the point P. So R, we just calculated it. It's negative 2 and 0. So it's going to help us. So long as we have the turning point and a point, right? So it's up to you on how you go about it. You can use, let's say you have this x plus or minus p squared plus or minus q. Let's say you have this standard form which includes a turning point, right? Because this is a turning point. So if we put those coordinates, we have x, so it's going to be x plus 1 over 2, right? Let me write this properly. Plus 1 over 2 squared, because we have minus 2. So x is equals to minus 1 over 2. Take this to the other side. We have x plus 1 over 2. And then the turning point, the y value of the turning point is positive 9. So you're just going to write that positive 9. So now you have f of x is equals to a into x plus 1 over 2 squared plus 9. But now you need the value of a to complete your equation. So you can use your point R, which is minus 2 and 0. And then you put 0 here, equals to a into minus 2 plus 1 over 2 to the power 2 plus 9. And 0 is equals to a into, so you're just going to punch through your calculator, minus 2 plus 1 over 2. You get minus 3 over 2 to the power 2 plus 9. And then you have 0 is equals to, so it's going to be a multiplied by 9, right? Because it's going to be minus 3 squared, it's going to be 9 over 4 plus 9. So this is a, so you're just going to transpose the 9 to the other side. You have 9a over 4 is equals to negative 9. Cross multiplication, you have 9a is equals to minus 9 times 4. And then you divide by 9 both sides. A is equals to, so this 9 will cancel out with this 9. You have negative 4. So this is going to be your a value, minus 4. Then you go back here. Remember that you already had the equation. You just needed to complete it by finding the value of a. So now we just found the value of a. F of x is equals to minus 4 into x plus 1 over 2 squared plus 9. Then this would be your equation of your function.